Hey everyone, Tech Steve here, back with another video for you guys. So today we're going to take a closer look at the U75H. Now this is the exact same television as the Hisense U7H, except for this TV is sold at Costco. Now I pulled up the specs on both televisions and guess what? They're completely the same except for a few things. First of all, the Costco model gives you 3 years of warranty instead of 2 years, and they're including HDMI 2.1 cables. Now this TV has all the goodies that you want. It has Google TV. It also has premium ULED technology. If we go up here to the top, it also has a next-gen over-the-air 4K TV tuner built right in. You got IMAX, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and it has a motion rate of 480, and we'll test that on the main review. Now, if we go over here, this is the 3-year warranty that I spoke about. It also has quantum dots, a gaming mode pro, as well as full array local dimming, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos. Okay, so I already got the TV out of the box on the table, and now Justin's going to show you guys everything that it comes with.
In the box, this TV comes with a quick setup guide, the power cord, the HDMI cable that Costco members get, and you get the remote control with the batteries. Let me show you some features about this remote. It comes with the Google Voice Assistance, the white navigation so you can see better in the dark, and it's got all your hotkeys like Netflix, YouTube, Tubi, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and Peacock.
Now we're going to mount the feet on real quick. There's an R right here and an R on the bracket. And one thing is that this bracket is made out of metal, so all we're going to do is just go ahead and stick it like that and go ahead and screw it in. Now taking a look at the back of this television, we have these indentions right here, and that's to reinforce the cabinet. There's a ventilation slot right here. There's an input for your power cord and some wire maintenance on the back as well as the feet. There's some screw holes so you can't mount this TV on the wall, and then we have the inputs on the other side. Now when it comes to input, we have a USB here, a service input. It has 4 HDMIs, and 2 of these are HDMI 2.1s for 120 Hz gaming, and one of these is eARC. Now here we have the ATSC 3.0 tuner. Then we have an AV input that you can hook up component video as well as a headphone output. In addition to that, we do have an Ethernet input for internet connection. We also have a digital output and a second USB, plus this TV does have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi built right in. Now let's go ahead and get everything off the screen. We have these little protectors on each side of it. And this one has do not remove until TV is assembled, which is pretty standard stuff. And over here we have the energy savings guide. Looks like about $25 a year. Now this TV doesn't have a screen protector, but it just has this little screen that goes around the border. So I'll go ahead and take that off, get everything set up so we can start seeing what the TV is actually all about. Now we got the TV out of the box, and I'm going to give you guys my first impressions. Well, let's talk about the design. On the top here we have this nice little thin bezel, and it tapers off to the side. Now the feet are a little bit more unique. They're shaped like this V, but on the back of it you have this wire maintenance, but it's not big enough for the thicker cables that I'm using. This is what I was saying, the wires are a little bit thicker, so if you try to put them in the wire maintenance, only one of them will fit. On the bottom of it, it does have some microphones, plus you can use the Google command without having the remote control. Now it does have a light if you mute the microphone, but that's pretty standard in these type of televisions. Now this is a Google TV, so you can have all access to the applications, and you're going to be able to just scroll through everything very fast, and it's because the processor in this TV works extremely well, so you can see how well it responds. If we go to the App Store, you can see that it has all the latest applications. You can also search for them at the bottom here. And we'll go and test the Wi-Fi to see how fast it is. Now, I will tell you that in my area, I have 500 megabits per second up and down. And this TV is registering 215 and is uploading at 48. So it's going to be great for 4K content. So you'll have no problem streaming that. Another thing I would tell you that this TV has a web browser. It has live TV, screen sharing capabilities, and a media center. If you plug in a thumb drive, you can play those files. Now, one thing I did notice when I was scanning for TV channels, you can see that now it has the next-gen digital channels options available, which some of the other models didn't have that. So it's ready for that new 4K content. But here in San Diego, we're still waiting. Now, I pulled up the TV tuner, and it doesn't have any type of TV guide. That's something I wish it had. You can do favorites, you can see your history, and you can edit, but you can't see what's coming on next. And I would think that we're going to need that for that new ATSC TV tuner. One thing to be aware of, using the Xbox is only seeing 1920 by 1080 at 120p. So there's a trick. You have to hit the option button on the remote control. you need to go down to HDMI format and switch it over to Enhance. Once it flickers and comes back up, and then we can see the 4K resolution. Now, other thing I want to show you guys, again, it is 4K at 120 Hz. If we go into the TV details, you can see that it does support everything the Xbox supports. And when we go into the video modes, you can see that it supports everything: low latency, variable refresh rate, also HDR and Dolby Vision gaming. So overall, this is a pretty good TV for the money, and I can't wait to do the full review to show you guys what it's all about. Now, as you can see, it does have 120 Hz. It also has that gaming mode, and additional to that, Hisense is giving you 2-year warranties on the U7H and 3-year warranty if you go buy this one at Costco. So if you guys want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel to be the first one to see that video, go and smash that button now. I'm Tech Steve. Thanks all for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!